All right, let's dig into the charts real quick. Let's look at the 1 hour to see where we're at. We are somewhat consolidating right now. We're moving sideways. We did have 8:30 news today. We had durable goods this morning at 8:30, and it wasn't as good as previous, but the market seems to be doing okay. So we did have news at 8:30 this morning. Market kind of rebalanced this fair value gap. Yeah, I mean, there's relative equal lows right here. For sideways consolidating, and we are in a market maker buy model, then I would expect price to come down, sweep these lows, and head back up, right? So that's kind of what I'm thinking. The 15-minute chart, there's a liquidity grab here. It took out London low, changing the state of delivery, retracing it back to rebalance this volume imbalance and this fair value gap, came up. Same thing, came up, came down in fair value gap. This came down into this fair value gap, headed up. So I'm thinking we are going to be taking out New York PM high. And what is this? Lunch high? Which lunch high is previous day's highs. So I think we're going to be targeting that. It left previous day's lows untapped. What does ES look like actually? Left previous day's lows untapped as well. Okay, so it's pretty much moving in line. Yeah, I'm going to say that we are bullish at the moment, but things could change at the snap of a finger. The 5-minute chart, 8:30 open, midnight open. It closed right below New York high. So this could mean one of two things. Price is extremely bearish, and we're going to send price down, or price will want to continue to pump up. Now, what I used to do is I used to chase the liquidity grab. I'm gonna avoid doing that now because I've been burned so many times. So I'm gonna wait for price to take out a pool of liquidity and then look for an entry. The 1-minute chart, I mean, there's equal highs up here. So this is definitely a target. It may not be today. It can be a target for the future. But we're just gonna sit and wait, and I am gonna try to be patient. I'm gonna try to demonstrate discipline and only take a 2-loss daily max. As always, I have not been doing well with that, but I need to try. I need to continue to try. I will not give up. And we're gonna wait for 9:30 open. I'm not gonna take any trades before 9:30, and we'll see. Now, what I do want to look for is a silver bullet entry. Now, yesterday during the New York AM session, there was a perfect silver bullet entry where price manipulated up, took liquidity here and here. So at 10 o'clock, it actually showed you a great silver bullet entry right here, right? So I could have taken this fair value gap up and then took a 2-to-1. I know the rules are taking 10 handles. Stop loss at the bottom of this candle here. I mean, 2-to-1 is right here. And I could have easily taken that up. Or I could have, targeted this pool of liquidity up here. And that would have been a 2.5-to-1. So I'm going to look for this trade. The silver bullet model is very, very lucrative if you can follow the rules and if you can be disciplined, right? So I'm going to try to implement that in my daily trading because I don't want to be glued to the screen all day. Like, I just want to enter. If my stop loss hits, it hits. If my take profit hits, it hits. So silver bullet times 10 to 11, 2 to 3 every day, all day. So we'll see if that happens. I mean, I haven't been really good at being disciplined, so maybe this will help me with my discipline. I just need to really, really, really dial down the amount of trades that I've been taking. Yeah, so we'll just wait and see. If it closes above this fair value gap, then it's going to go up, in my opinion. But you know what? It doesn't matter because I'm not trading before 10. I'm not trading before 10. I'm not trading before 10. Alright, so it's going to take out this low here. I think that's where it's going to go. Dang, look at that. Bam! Alright, so hit that low. Next target is London low, of course. We'll see what happens. Oh, London low taken. Alright, will it go for previous day's lows? Made another fair value gap if this closes up. We are going up. So for the silver bullet model, yeah, we're going to head up. So this is what I'm preparing for. I'm preparing for price to head up into this area here. And we are going to take a fair value gap entry. Okay, just waiting for price to tag me in. If it runs away, then we'll find another entry. I'm not going to force anything. I really wished I entered here, though. This would have been a perfect entry. You know what? It's fine. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Tagged in. See what price does. I do think we're going to hit this high though, but I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take profits. So price came up above, hit 9:30 open, came back down to 8:30 open. Will 8:30 open prove to be a support, quote unquote support area? We'll see. Oh man, stopped out. Alright, that's fine. Let's see what candle does here. What is the candle going to do in this bearish PD array? Alright, I'm taking price up. Hoping that's just price rebalancing the volume imbalances there. There was one, two, a small one right here that price had already rebalanced, so we'll see. Everything is telling me that price is bullish right now, and it should head up into this pool of liquidity. But I'm starting to second guess myself. It's a 3R trade. So that previous position, I actually lost $316, including commissions. It's a little bit more than I wanted to lose. How did that happen? Did I move my stop loss? May have been because it was a market order, a market stop, so it probably took like the worst price possible. Because this was a violent move down. But nah, but still, $100 swing from that market order is a little ridiculous. So right now we're at 1-to-1-ish. Yeah. This is 1-to-1. Moving my stop up. I'm not taking a loss. I'm gonna see what price does here. I might just take it because this is 2.36. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, sir! Come on. Yes, sir. I'm done. I'm done for the day. I am done. All right, looking at our TradeZella dashboard today, we did a total of $639.04. So this is including both the Top Step and the Apex funded account. All right, so let's just look at the Top Step real quick. Top Step, we did $331, took 2 trades. Apex, we did $308 and took three trades. When did I lose this? I don't remember doing that. All right, anyways. Oh, wait, yeah, this was a first loss. All right, I don't remember doing this. But anyways, I'm up. I don't care. 307.60. All right, looking at the Top Step performance summary, I took 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. As stated in the video, I took a $310 loss, but with commissions it was like $316.42, and I took 1 win for $650. Total profit $331.44. Apex TradeZella, or the Apex performance summary is telling you that I took 2 losing trades and 2 winning trades. Total 4 trades. A little confused, but whatever. So right now we're looking at the Top Step funded account. This was the first trade I took. Just drill it down smaller so y'all know. This is the first trade I took. I took it at this fair value gap. It wicked in and then it wicked me out. I took another position here. Took it all the way up to previous session highs. All right, looking at the Apex executions. I'm trading 1 Apex funded trader account, the 50K, and it hit my target here. Apex is showing something different, but I took 2 trades total, 1 win, 1 loss. And honestly, I'm actually happy about today because I was able to be patient. I did display this discipline. Moving forward, I'm going to continue to try to trade the silver bullet from 10 to 11 just to show some consistency in my trades so that I can just practice being mechanical, right? Just doing the same thing daily. And that, I think that's the only way that I'm going to be able to kind of get out of this slum of over trading. So today is a good day. I was able to identify where the market was headed, where the draw on liquidity was, and I took a fair value gap entry. I took this loss, but it was part of my trading plan, so it's okay. That loss was okay, and I re-entered here and was able to tag out with a gain. In the comments below, let me know how y'all did. If y'all took the same trade, if y'all got stopped out, what happened, let me know. Please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to join me on my journey. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.